Hello everyone, welcome back. In my previous video, I have discussed about the different types of traversal operation that we can perform in case of a binary tree, namely the pre-order, in-order and the post-order. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to reconstruct a tree from the given traversal. I will discuss two different cases. One case wherein I have been given with the pre-order and the in-order traversal, and the second case I will be discussing about given the post-order and the in-order traversal, how to reconstruct a binary tree. Now in my first case, I am taking the pre-order and the in-order traversal. Now what I know from pre-order traversal is, in case of a pre-order traversal, always the first node that I will be visiting is the root node. So with that information, what I will do, so if you see the pre-order, in case of pre-order, the first node is A. So I will start constructing my tree. So first is my root node, that is A. So I have two different the left subtree that I need to construct and the right subtree that I need to construct. So I'll have two rectangular boxes once again. So I'll retain the pre-order as well as the in-order. Now, the other information that I can get from in-order traversal is, in case of in-order traversal, after visiting all the left nodes in the left subtree, I should visit the root node. So if I see the placement of A in the in-order, to the left side of A, I have 4 nodes. So these 4 nodes have to be on the left subtree of A. So my in-order, I'll write it as G, D, H, B, and to the right side of A, in the in-order traversal, I will have E, I, C, F. So I will retain the same thing with respect to pre-order. So in case of pre-order, so after A, B is there in order, I will retain B. Next is D is there in the left subtree only, G, H. Now is C, E, I, F. Please don't change the order of the elements with respect to their traversal. Now what I will do, I need to construct, I will consider this individually, I will construct a tree for this, I will treat this individually, I will construct a tree for this. So after this, so A is my root node. Now coming to the left subtree. Now in case of the left subtree, in the pre-order B is there, so B has to be the parent here. Now check the existence of B in the in-order. In the in-order, B is there at this position, so there are no elements after B. So it implies that the B does not have any right child. So it needs to have only the left child. So in the left one, I will retain as it is. So in order as G, D, H, and the corresponding pre-order as D, G, and H. So this was with respect to the left subtree. Now coming to the right subtree, first node is here C, it has to be parent. Now check the existence of C in order. To the right side of C there is F. So there is only one node, so it has to be the right child. So to the left side of C there are 2 nodes. So in order E, I. Now the corresponding elements in pre-order is E, I only. E, I. So now I'll start building the binary tree for this and this. So A, B, C right child is done, F. Now I'll come for this particular part, B. So left. Now first node in pre-order to the left subtree of B is a D. So D has to be parent. Now check the existence of D in order. To the right side there is H. So this is H. To the left side there is G. So this is G. This is done. Now coming to this part. So C left subtree. Pre-order is E first. So E has to be the parent node here. Now E in the in order, to the left side of E there is nothing, but to the right side of E there is I. So I'll have I here. Hope this should be fine. This is about how to construct you are reconstructing a binary tree with the help of the pre-order and the in-order traversal. The information to be noted here is, we know that in case of pre-order traversal, the first node that you are visiting is the node itself. In case of in-order traversal, the root node will be visited after visiting all the nodes in the left subtree. So these are left subtree and this is my root node, and then the right subtree. But whereas in case of pre-order, it was node left right. First you are visiting the node, then all the nodes in the left subtree, and then all the nodes in the right subtree. Now what we'll do, quickly we'll take one more example. Just change it to post order and in order. Now let me take one more example. Post order as 7, 5, 3, 2, 8, 4, 6 and 1. Now in case of in-order traversal, it is 7, 5, 1, 3, 8, 2, 6, 4. Now what is the information that I know about post order? Post order is, first it has to be the left, then right, and then the node. In case of in order, it has to be left, node, and then right. From post order, one thing that I know is the last node has to be the root node. So from this, I can get the root node 1. So 1 is the root node. Now check 1 in the in order. Here it is there. To the left side of 1, these two nodes have to be on the left, has to be the left subtree, and this remaining 5 nodes have to be on the right subtree. So post order and this is in order. Post order, in order. So to the left side of 1 there is 7, 5. I will retain 7, 5 in the in order as it is. I will check for 7, 5 in the post order. So in post order, first was 7 and then 5. Then in case of the right subtree, to the right side of 1, I have 3, 8, 2, 6, 4. I write it as on the right side. Now here it is, please don't change the order. It is 3, 2, 8, 4, 6. So this is the second step. Now, now what you do? From this to, you start constructing the tree once again. So 1 left subtree. In the post order, I know 7. It is 7, 5. So among this 7, 5, 5 has to be parent. The last node is 5. 5 has to be parent. 5. Now check the existence of 5 in the in order. To the left side of 5 there is 7. So this has to be 7 have to be the left child of 5. Now coming to the right side, last node is 6. So 6 have to be the parent node. Now check the existence of 6 in the in order. So to the right side of 6 there is 4. So 4 has to be the right child. To the left side of 6 I have 3 nodes. So I need to construct once again. So this is post. This is in. To the left side of 6 I have 3, 8, 2, 3, 8, 2, and the respective element in post order is 3, 2 and 8. Now I have to construct a tree for this. So 1 is the root node, 5 the left child of 1, 6 the right child of 1, 7 the left child of 5, right child of 6, 4. Coming to the left child of 6, check the post order. In the post order, last node is 8. 8 have to be the parent node. 8 have to be the parent node. Now check the presence of 8 in the in order. To the right side of 8 there is 2, so it has to be the right child. Now to the left side of 8 there is 3, 3 has to be the left child of 8. Done. Hope this is clear. This is about how to construct a binary tree from the given traversal. Note that one of the important thing is you are supposed to be given with the in-order. It is very easy to construct a tree if you have been given with the in-order traversal among the other two. Hope this is fine. Thank you.